much that was good about that game. That one, we got through the 5th inning. We really had one just tough inning. One tough inning. Outside of that, pitcher, Carter, you pitched great.
Yeah.
Right,
Good job.
The first 3 innings, we were out on 17 pitches. It was amazing. There were plays out in the field. There was so much that was good in that game. Tyrone catching a ball in the outfield. Demir catching a ball in the outfield.
Isaac.
You ran front. You were playing center field and you caught it, right?
Yeah. No, he caught it. He caught it behind second.
Isaac catching several balls.
Yeah. Good job, Isaac.
First game of the season.
All right.
First game of the season.
Good job.
So much about this game that was great.
A lot of firsts.
But there is one thing very specific that happened that allowed us to come back as far as we did. And that was, these aren't, you have to hit a home run, you have to strike everyone out. You have to give 100% effort. And there was a lot of that. If I could cut it in half, I cut it in half. I cut it into, quite frankly, 10. You guys did so great. This ball goes because I know that there's several kids, right, that are working on this, and every single one of you has improved on this. But very specifically, Logan, you staying in that.
Come on, Logan. That's what's up.
Taking that hit by the pitch, and then running, right?
Yeah, aggressive.
Aggressively, it was great. So this ball, it could go to every single person on this team today. But today it's going to Logan. All right. Great job. Great job.